Clap again.
Oh, sorry, what?
Oh, clap again. Can I do the clap?
Okay.
What's up, guys? Big Cheers here.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we're back, and right now we're not in a car.
We're not? Oh.
Uncle Joe. So it's the third episode of Can I ask ah. Hashtag. Sorry, the last week we missed it because I was busy planning my friend's wedding. Yeah, a lot. I don't know why people get married. I mean, do stress so much during their wedding. Should just be chill, right?
Good
Yeah.
save.
So, yeah, man. So yeah, on today's episode of hashtag Can I Ask ah, we're gonna talk about Grab drivers.
What about Grab drivers?
What about Grab drivers? Do they get, just gonna dive right into it, do they get the same insurance as...
Oh, so we're still talking about insurance. Oh, because I'm an insurance agent, yeah. Okay, so what we are going to talk about is, as a Grab car driver...
You have to talk louder, remember?
As a Grab car driver, do you buy the same insurance or is there a special insurance for you? And of course, the answer is, there is a special insurance for you. But it's
Really?
not really special. It's more in the form of a rider that you have to add. That's how you tell your insurance company that I drive this car for private use, but I also use it as a Grab driver.
So insurance companies all over Malaysia have this rider specifically for Grab drivers.
Yep, because the Ministry of Transport legalized Grab drivers.
Okay.
So when it's legalized, then they definitely have to make sure that the framework is there for them to be covered legally by the insurance companies.
It's
as
not
well.
it's not the same as taxi drivers, right?
No, if I'm not wrong, not the
Because
same.
taxis are under companies, but this is your own personal one.
They are personal taxis also.
Oh. So is that the same insurance as
Different,
Grab cars?
because like
Okay.
Grab car is like it's a personal car that you use for Grab, whereas taxi, of course there are taxi drivers who use taxi for personal also, but taxi is business first.
I see.
So it's different.
Okay. So what's the rider called? Is there a specific name for it?
Every company calls it different, but it usually is something like e-hailing add-on or something like that.
Okay.
So you just have to make sure that okay, if you're a Grab driver or any other of the competitors, because there are smaller competitors out there,
Oh really?
like my car, I think,
Is it?
or some others also. Remember we saw the billboard KLIA, then I said it's like Mio car or something.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
M car, I said M car because they stylized the Y. Yeah. So any e-hailing car, if you think that you want to be smart and like, I don't want to buy this rider, I want to save money, well, if you don't make any claims, then congratulations, you saved some money. But if you make some money, if you get involved in an accident and you need to make a claim,
Okay.
and they do a search, because it's quite easy for insurance companies to do a search. They will just go to these e-hailing companies, they will give the number plate, and then they say, is this person a Grab driver or a my car driver? And if he is, and they see that you have no rider, then they say, oh, sorry, insurance void, you do Grab but you never tell us.
So how much is the rider?
It's a percentage based on the sum assured of the car.
So give me an example.
No example, because I do not have Grab car driver clients yet.
Yet. No, like, do you have a rough figure though for people
I
to know?
do not. I'm sorry. We can add it in here.
Very smart, ah.
And there you have it. That is how much it costs.
Who's doing all the editing?
I help you, Lord.
Is it? You got Final Cut Pro, ah? You got MacBook Pro, ah?
I do.
You got
on
the software,
your
ah?
MacBook, Lord.
But I guess it shouldn't be a lot, right? The rider actually.
No, we already said the rider price. Remember in the edit?
Yeah, I know, but I mean now if you don't know then
Yeah, so affordable, right?
really ma, no man.
So you have to,
Cause I'm guessing if they are so okay, based on your understanding, you take Grab sometimes, correct?
Mm.
So I'm pretty sure you do your research as well. Don't you ask them whether they have additional insurance?
And they normally say yes.
They normally
It's
say
not,
yes.
I would say it's not much.
Okay, yeah, I would think so too
Because-
because it's a rider, what?
Yeah, and generally speaking, public transport is lower risk than normal car. So it's just kind of maybe an additional risk cost to the company
Okay.
because when you're a Grab driver, your car is so much more on the road. Mm.
So let's say if you're a Grab driver for 5 years, it's the same where you have to renew every year, correct?
Same like any car.
And it reduces as time goes by?
Reduces.
Yeah, the sum reduces.
Yeah. A lot of the rider price is tagged to the price of the car.
Okay. Okay.
So of course, if you're driving a Beza and you're driving an Altis, the rider cost will be different because both cars cost different.
So let's say if you're okay, but I can see the loophole here whereby when people do Grab car and they get into an accident, they say they weren't on duty. Then they can claim personal insurance lah.
They can
Your personal car insurance lah.
they can investigate with Grab. Grab has a database of your drives ma.
But they can say they weren't on duty during that time, right?
If let's say they did a drive from 3:30 to 4.
Yeah.
And they had an accident during this drive.
Yeah.
If they go report police, say that the accident happened at 4:30, nothing the insurance company can do
Yeah.
because they don't know.
Yeah. Lor.
But
So that's the loophole lah.
well, this is a loophole. There are some companies out there that offer pay as you go e-hailing riders as well. I haven't done a price comparison, but I would think that since Grab is not as lucrative as it used to be, most Grab drivers are pretty full-time.
Okay.
Not all of us.
Yeah lor. So that's the thing lor. I mean, if I can find a loophole, then I'll use that loophole to make a police report and say that I wasn't doing Grab during that time of the accident.
But
and
if
just
you
claim.
use a loophole, but there's three other cars there who report a different time than you, then the police will investigate. They'll say, how come this guy say it's at 4:30, but the other 3 cars say 3:30? Which one is it?
I see.
Yeah, there's a lot of people out there who try to commit insurance fraud.
Yep.
Like recently I heard of one guy who hit into another guy
Okay.
and he didn't have insurance. So what he was advised is to buy insurance right now and then report the accident later. Which, by the way, most insurance company can detect. Because if you do not renew your insurance back to back and there is a gap, they do some further investigation right now.
Because when you can only get your road tax if you renew your insurance, correct?
No, you renew yes, correct. You renew insurance, then you can buy a road tax.
Oh, okay. I think that's a very good system. So you cannot renew your road tax if you don't get insurance, correct?
But some people think they're very smart. They renew insurance, they buy road tax, then they cancel insurance.
Can one ah? Oh, because between the 14-day period.
You might get a lower refund,
Okay.
but they just want the money back. But
It's not worth it lah.
dumb lor. Anything happen to you, cannot
It's not
claim.
worth it. I'm gonna sneeze. Let's end the video. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
So
If you have any questions,
you can ask me, or you ask her, and she'll ask me. Okay. Bye.